Great. All right. Welcome, guys. So, first of all, heartiest congratulations. I'm so proud today that our team has really is in the limelight thanks to a team effort of two people. Manu also is included, but majority two people. Thanks to them, I think we are setting new benchmarks, new examples. So, Asim and Kunal, amazing job. So I'll tell you one thing, right? Things which worked for me in this company was the number of activities that I had, and the activities only percolates to number of meetings to pipeline to closures. That is the only thing which really helped me. And if we are very strong in that domain, nobody can stop us from becoming the best team, right? And that you guys are taking the leadership. You guys are really working your heart and soul to make this team the best team. Really proud of you. Okay. As a goodwill gesture or whatever, I just wanted to share a token of appreciation with Jay and Viru. Okay. So you guys have really set new benchmarks. Okay, and I hope there are a lot of people who will break those records, right? There's a good battle, which is really nice. This is what I was talking about, right? When I was talking about my vision of the best team, not just in terms of numbers, but in terms of healthy competition, in terms of helping each other. So I see people, helping each other. It's not like, it's your team, we are opposite, we are competitors, it's not that case, here. So everybody's helping each other, right? You guys are working very well closely, amazing. You guys are amazing. So it's a beautiful bonding that you guys have with each other, and that's the only thing which will differentiate us who will be leaders and people who will still want to be part of this team, right? So we will build that team so strong that people will want to come in our team. There are two joinees who has joined today as an AM. They asked me, Dev, I look forward to working with you. But unfortunately, I have to say no, because we can only have limited number of people for now until we prove ourselves. Once we prove ourselves, again the team will grow. So once we grow, it's growth for everybody, right? You grow as the managers, you grow as whatever individual contributor, you get better things. So you guys are setting right example and making me proud. So thank you so much for everything. Kunal and Asim, if you can come here, I would like to hand this over to you. Your 10x rule, I think you guys already want it, truly deserve. You have to share it. Why don't we have a round of applause for both of you guys? You want to say something to the group? What made you go for 10 meetings? Like, nobody else has done it, right? Only 8. Last record was 8. Somebody else did it. But I don't know whether they did it from cold call or emails, or was it, sandbagging from last day, some meetings put together, club together. I don't know. But this effort genuinely came out of cold calling, and everything came from the same day, right? The kind of environment that you created, I also was lucky to come back and meet everybody. I left, office, but the kind of excitement was being generated. I was having real time update. 8 ho gaya, 9 ho gaya. So those real time was, I was distracted. I was in a movie, but I was distracted watching everything. Oh, 9 ho gaya. Oh, nice. Right? But the environment that was created was amazing. Right? Everybody was coming from different teams. They were coming and motivating Asim and Kunal. Kunal was going and searching all the data real time. He's like, data's over, get me more, and he's making calls, right? So I don't know, more than 300 plus calls he made. That is the drive.
3 Excel sheets for exhaustion.
3 Excel sheets are exhausted, right? So you can.
But he was looking for data and he was calling.
Yes, he was looking for data, so that's the teamwork, right? That's the real teamwork. So
Because after, I remember
Like
once
I
he hit
had-
7, his data was exhausted.
Okay.
Then I started giving mine.
Okay.
He got another one. My data got exhausted.
Yeah.
I pulled up another sheet.
Yeah.
Then it hit 9, and then we pulled up another sheet. Then we hit 10.
So it was like I had my data, it got exhausted, like old data plus new data plus newest data.
Yeah.
It all got exhausted. Then I told him that now I need to kill it. So he's like,
Wait.
you start working on, don't worry about the data.
I
I'll do
stopped
the data."
dialing and I was like, I'll pull
So
up.
I was like, I was sitting this side facing this east, he was facing west. And he's like, कितना और चाहिए और चाहिए? I'm like, "दे, जितना मिल रहा है, you give it to me." On top of that, there were people around from the other healthcare and all. They were like, this is a Chinese company, China is off. He's like, I don't want Chinese now, I only want Americans in Canada. So it was fun and it was going on.
This is real teamwork.
And these people, they came very early in the day, I think, 14, 15 hours in the office, I think.
Yeah, mine was what 15 plus, I don't know.
Yeah.
I went home like 5 o'clock in the morning and I'd come at around 1 o'clock in the afternoon the same day.
So it's amazing, right? That's the dedication. And not just that day, and he came again on Saturday because he could not finish all the invites. So he came on Saturday to finish all the invites. So that's the tremendous effort that you guys are putting. This book also,
Yes.
I think, resembles your effort, 10x effort, right? So 10 meetings, 10x. So you together are the X factor. Okay, so very well deserved. Thank you so much once again. We received a lot of appreciation from our management team also, right? I shared this message. So we had a leadership team WhatsApp group. So Sandeep sir, he messaged, I mean, this is crazy, right? What else? So it is really crazy, right? And he's already set a benchmark, right? For people who used to think, "Do meeting mushkil hai, 2 meeting is difficult."
I mean, this is the mentality, right?
Yeah.
When people get one meeting, they chill the entire day, or when they get two
Correct.
meetings, they already plan going home.
Correct.
No, I had a mindset.
That's not you, but this is
yeah,
the normal
it's-
mindset with people here.
And right now my mindset is not 10, I want it to be 17 because I like 17.
Okay. I'm sure that is still achievable too. There's nothing which is impossible, okay? Because you're just getting started, right? So somebody, so again, people say success ke liye, you need to be highly skilled, you need to be, extra smart. I say no, you don't need skills, high skills, you don't need extra knowledge. All you need is the mindset, the will to do it. If your mind can see it, it can achieve it, right? So coming back with same Asim's example, right? He just in the system for almost 1 month, not more than that, right? How many people on the floor they are here for more than 1 year, 2 years? How many of them they have done 10 meetings? Nobody has done 10 meetings. Their best days I can challenge would be 4 or 5 or 6 maximum, right? Are they better skilled? Yes, they are better skilled. Do they have better product knowledge? Yes, they have better product knowledge. The only thing which they don't have is the hunger that people sitting in this room have. Each and everybody who's sitting here, you guys have the mindset. And as I always say that the person who will win over the smartest and the strongest is the person who works hard, who believes in the hard work. That person will always win. And this example is really apt, right? Asim, just 1 month system. Of course, he's not highly skilled. He has skills, but we cannot say that Asim is the best in terms of skills, sales skills. He's not the best in terms of the knowledge of markets and markets. There are other big players in that league also, but he's still beating them everybody hands down. That's all about the mindset, and it's all about the numbers. More numbers you dial, more success you will get. It's all about that. Right.
I would like to thank Ankush as well because he was also the entire till the time you had come, even he was the part of our team.
Yeah,
He was
cheering
yeah,
party.
He was entirely with us.
Awesome,
He
awesome.
was also with
See,
us.
that's the team spirit we have, right? अंकुश को ऐसा नहीं कह रही है opposition team वाला है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. We are one team, and for that matter of fact, even Zargam and Sufi, I really appreciate these guys. They never said that यार हम तो strategy account वाले हैं, we have nothing to do with Mao. So many calls these guys have been. Sufi, for that matter of fact, so many calls he's taking conducting training all. So great job for you guys also. You guys are the one who is lifting the team spirit up and making this team really become somebody that we truly believe in one team, right? So thank you so much. Really appreciate what you guys are doing. Continue doing. We just hope to see more records being broken, and we want to see what management talks about. So interesting, right? I should not say this, but it's going on record that in the leadership group, just before I posted my comment, they posted the trophy cricket match jo hua tha. They posted the trophy. Hey, we won the trophy. 4 or 5 people responded. Great. Okay. How is it going to help business? Sandeep sir did not reply, for sure. The moment I posted, our story, he was the first person to immediately reply saying that this is crazy. Great job, guys. Right? So you can imagine the kind of belief system that we have. We are completely aligned with the company, and they now eyes are on us. They know that if there is a team which can definitely make difference and bring numbers, is definitely us, right? So good stuff once again.